Hey everybody, it's Mike Whiteside of Black Dog Salvage, and we are in the shop today with Swooz. There you go. Last week we introduced the idea of creating a fall line of colors from this throw.
This fall throw.
Yeah. And so that was the idea of just coming up with something that would represent the season. And today she's got some tones, some palettes that would allow us to create a lot of different earth tone colors. So take
Fall
away,
colors, yeah. So this was my inspiration, as I told you last week, and I pulled all the colors out of the throw and documented them and named them. And so now I have this array of colors that starts with Harvest Red, Bittersweet, Persimmon, one of our signature premix colors, Baby I'm Amaized, Toasty Taupe, Muddy River, Pistachio, and Sea Glass. And all of these recipes are soon going to be up on our website, and we'll be showcasing them and showing you all the different recipes and all the different colors. But right now we've decided to take this gorgeous tray and paint it with one of our premix colors, which is Baby I'm Amaized, Amaized. It's a real pretty fall corn, mazy color, very warm, and lends itself to just about any palette.
So that's going to be the base, kind of the base color
Right.
for all of these mixtures to tone it up or tone it down.
Right.
Yeah,
right.
Unfortunately, I'm partially colorblind, so I can appreciate these colors, but I'm trusting you to get them right, because I can't.
Oh, well, the recipes are simple, and that's what we try to do. The beauty of the line is you can make your own colors, you can follow one of our recipes, and the recipes are simple. They're usually 1 part to 1 part or 2 parts to 1 part. We keep it simple around here. We don't make it too complicated. Yeah, that's for you. And we document it, we try it again, we make sure that it's going to be easy for you. But today we're going to use one of our gorgeous premix colors, Baby I'm Amaized, and Mike's going to start painting this tray.
So we've decanted.
We've decanted
and
the paint.
I only associate that with wine, and red wine is decant. I guess you can decant anything.
You can.
So
It all
this is one of
depends.
our ergonomic brushes. It's really balanced, so you don't have any wrist fatigue or anything of that nature. And I've been really selling these brushes a lot and explaining that it's real easy. It flows so good. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump right in here.
You jump in, and the beauty of the paint is it self-levels.
Yeah, so if there's a mistake, then it's not the paint.
That's right.
Yeah.
But we're going to get this base coat down, and then we're going to do a little faux finishing with it and add another color into it. We're not sure which one we're going to go with yet, but next week you'll be able to see the finished product. We look forward to hearing from you. Please let us know what you think.
It's real easy, folks, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. And hopefully we're going to start doing a lot more application of these colors with
Yes,
pieces.
sir.
I was just looking on online and Facebook Marketplace, and I saw some really cool pieces of furniture that I'd like to do.
Okay.
In here.
Yes.
In Swooz's studio. All right, so everybody take care. Tune in next week for the continuation of what Swooz and I are doing here is creating colors for the season. And what are we going to do for winter?
We've got a whole holiday line, a whole holiday palette coming up.
I opened up Pandora's box.
Yes, you did.
So everybody take care and get your paint on.
Get your paint on. Mix it up.